Hey future doctors, and welcome back to the channel. Today video is about biology and MDcat MCQs. So let's begin to the video. The first MCQs is cooking of the food and dish in the mouth significantly improve the digestibility of food stuffed by the enzyme. A. Mastication. B. Peristalsis. C. Churning. And D. Acidity. So the correct option is A. Mastication. The next MCQ is the digestion of carbohydrates occur briefly and dash and largely in the dash respectively. A. Mouth, intestine. B. Stomach and intestine. C. Esophagus and mouth. And D. Mouth and stomach. So the correct option is A. Mouth and intestine. The next MCQ is on taking a spoonful of boiled rice and after partial digestion, which of the following molecule cannot be the part of bolus? A. Protein. B. Vitamin. C. Amylose. And D. Monosaccharide. So the correct option is D. Monosaccharide. The next MCQ is oral cavity is added and selection of food by all of the following senses except A. Smell. B. Sight. C. Sound. And D. Taste. So the correct option is C. Sound. The next MCQ is align the following events performed by oral cavity: digestion, mastication, lubrication, selection. So the correct option is selection. 4, 2, 3, 1. Selection, mastication, lubrication, and digestion. The next MCQ is main function of NaHCO3 and other salt in buccal cavity. H2A perform chemical digestion. B. Stabilize the pH. C. Act as antiseptic agent. And D. Act as promoter of phylline. So the correct option is B. Stabilize the pH. The next MCQ is all of the following are influenced by the movement of tongue except A. Nasal opening. B. Teeth cleansing. C. Epiglottis. And D. Peristalsis. So the correct option is B. Teeth cleansing. The next MCQ is peristalsis is the characteristic movements of A. Respiratory tract. B. Reproductive tract. C. Digestive tract. And D. Urinary tract. So the correct option is C. Digestive tract. The next MCQ is which of the following region is alimentary canal produce no enzyme? A. Esophagus. B. Duodenum. C. Stomach. And D. Jejunum. So the correct option is A. Esophagus. The next MCQ is digestion of day starts in oral cavity due to the action of enzyme present in saliva. A. Starch. B. Fatty acid. C. Cellulose. And D. Polypeptides. So the correct option is D. Polypeptides. The next MCQ is food is diverted in the esophagus by A. Glottis. B. Cheek. C. Tongue. And D. Epiglottis. So the correct option is D. Epiglottis. The next MCQ is salivary amylase begins to digest starch to shatter polysaccharide and into A. Sucrose, B. Maltose, D. Glucose, C. Glucose, and D. Lactose. So the correct option is B. Maltose. The next MCQ is the type of salivary gland found in human oral cavity. A. 3, B. 6, C. 4, and D. 2. So the correct option is A. 3. The next MCQ is cardiac sphincter is present at the junction of stomach and A. Esophagus. B. Duodenum. C. Cecum. And D. Heart. So the correct option is A. Esophagus. The next MCQ is which one is different from others? A. Amylase. B. Glucagon. C. Gastrin. And D. Insulin. So the correct option is A. Amylase. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.